This is part 2, episode 2. It felt so weird. I'm bored.
Got that on film?
I got that on film. My way downtown, walking fast. Shit took forever.
Got the fucking street, man.
That's what I've been wanting to say.
You see it in his eyes. So we're down Dorr Street. Only ass fucking car, bro.
I hit the street though. Wish me luck. Huh? Said by the great Unk. Man, look at that. Look at Unk working the iPhone.
The thing is, I'll be taking fire flicks with this nigga too.
Who?
You a nigga?
Shit.
You won't say it though.
Huh?
You won't say it though.
Who? I didn't say that. Oh, almost died.
Walking with?
Huh?
Almost died walking with?
Nah, cause I almost tripped. Nigga, you seen what the fuck happened? Damn, niggas with the pole.
All the skateboards gotta be dust.
Picture stop.
Who wrote that?
Or what? Feel me?
I wish I could do like street graffiti. That's so tough.
I got this.
Street graffiti?
Oh yeah.
Watch out. Shadow on it. Fat fuck.
Damn. You don't want him to talk to you like that?
Honestly, that's type hard though.
What? Middle finger in the back. Nigga taking the deuce. A nigga in his habitat climbed.
What's happening?
What a nigga.
Feel me? Come up here, bro. Feel me? That's a long climb.
And then you got this lazy nigga right here. Oh, you got two lazy niggas right here.
Huh?
Huh? No.
I don't know how deep.
Oh, Dorr Street? The ghetto? Dorr Street? Damn.
Nah, that shit, man. It's not hard.
We're going to the trenches today, bro.
Nah, they're tweaking.
OD. Niggas going to the trenches. No, that nigga can't hear.
Like, Dorr Street, like, you scared.
Like, we really gotta go to Dorr Street?
What's wrong with Dorr Street?
Nah.
Bro. I don't know, man. Sound like Ivan thing say.
It is an Ivan thing to say.
Dark as shit.
He said I was dark as shit, man.
I was repeating what Abe was saying.
And then
She said
Either
And
you
so-
or that.
did say that shit.
she
though.
did say that shit. She didn't hold back. I'm like, damn.
Say you're
She was
dark.
talking to you?
Nah, she said it to everybody, bro. But like,
Okay, man.
nah, she really did say that shit to me. Like, nah, she did. She's like,
Oh, we gotta get to that Shiki, man.
That's gotta be like before the end. Like, we gotta make it before the end of the year bucket list.
We gotta make the, like, got a postcard for real. Just somewhere by Shiki. And then flexing. That nigga will probably break it Daishiki.
We gotta do like sunrise at the beach at least once.
Oh no, we're gonna do that when it gets better. You talking about like our future
About like
endeavors.
bucket list before the end of the semester. You and Daishiki, sunrise at the beach.
We gotta make that shit a postcard, I ain't gonna lie.
Gotta happen. And low key, if we can get him the whole fit and get him the belly with the hat, bro, I'll be a happy man. I'll be a very
Nah, that shit would have me crying, bro.
And the gold chain, oh my god.
Now with the
bro.
earpiece too, bro.
The earpiece, the Bluetooth, oh my gosh, bro. Please. I need it.
Nah, that nigga would be African at that point, bro. Oluwa Ivan, bro.
They would be like,
Oluwa Ivan, bro.
Olo Ivan.
It has to be. That's the name. Ivan, that's your African name.
Ivan Oluwachen. What?
Ivan Oluwachen, bro.
More?
Nah, sure.
Alright, brothers.
Gotta get that nigga that shit, bro. Niggas fucked up my shit, man. Oh, nigga, too.
I don't care.
You Ivan?
Where we go? We wanna go down there?
Go down where?
Y'all wanna go down there?
Down here? These niggas wanna go in the churches.
Yeah, I'm not. What's the worst that could happen?
Don't say that.
What?
What's the worst that can happen? Get your ass here, nigga.
What's the worst that can happen? That's how like horror movies start.
No, it really is. I don't know why you said that.
That is how the worst movies start, man. That'd be the first episode.
Chill. You the first one getting clipped, though.
Hey, man. We.
Who is we? I'm out of there.
Shit, I'm skating out of there, man.
I'm running.
There's a nice parking lot down over there.
So you wanna go down there?
I'm down. We could also go down there.
Alright, what's
Nah,
the
that's
group
going
consensus?
up there though. Like that's a little uphill. Type
No, but then it slides down. But it sounds like you want to go that way. Let's go that way. Gotta make these boys feel comfortable.
I'm not hearing you. I don't know. Shit. Like, why would we go further from the apartment? Right?
Trying to get home.
Nigga got us doing some hoodlum shit.
It's like an open space garage on top.
You gotta get you new wheels.
Huh?
You gotta get you new wheels and trucks. I mean, you can honestly do with the board. You should probably get like A5, but like, really just the trucks and wheels for real. Just cause like, kind of sucky. Should be out.
When I made that video,
On TikTok?
yeah, I just like saw that upstairs.
So he just walked up?
I mean, like, I saw it was open. It was